has the reservation? Okay, whoever's building, I need you in the front. Whoever's building. All right, who can I trust? I trust you. Come with me. Stay over here. If you see any activity from the first floor, you let us know right away. You're gonna be the last one. All right, anybody else is ready? Let's go. Come on. Also good. Please come on in. Welcome. That way. Welcome.
Another builder here.
From this side?
Welcome everybody. I apologize for what happened out there, but you know this, we cannot be too careful. Sorry. I'm glad you're all here. And please, take a look around. Take a look around. Isn't it nice? It's a lot of clutter. A lot of junk. Yeah, it's dusty too. But for us, this is our home. I have Eddie. I have Priscilla. My name is Carlos, and humbly we call ourselves the Gatherers. You see, we as Gatherers, we have been in many places of the galaxy. We have traveled to forgotten outposts, war-torn planets, and we have gathered many different materials, ancient relics, and everything that we find, we bring it here for you. If a stormtrooper were to walk in here, all they see is junk and clutter. But for us that are going to know, this is everything. You have heard of the Jedis, like Luke Skywalker? Yes. And the new Jedi, anybody know her name? Rey, yes. Our spark of hope. And she heard a call, and so did you, and that's why you're here. But you're also here to build this. The lightsaber. The lightsaber is beautiful and enigmatic. The lightsaber is a form of art. It has been held by the greatest of the Jedis and the darkest of the foes. It is the connection between its builder and the Force. It lets the Force flow through you. And today, builders, you will be able to feel that connection. And it all starts with one of this. The Kyber crystal. The Kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal will determine the color of your blade. In our workshop, we have 4 different crystals for you today. And we're going to start with this one right here. The blue Kyber crystal. Once held by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now Rey. We have the green Kyber crystal, once held by Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda, and Luke Skywalker. Violet, rare and beautiful, once held by Master Mace Windu. And red. Red is the crystal of power, once held by Darth Maul, Darth Vader, Asajj Ventress, and now Kylo Ren. But builders, all of that is history. Today, we are here for you and your future. So at this moment, I'll ask all of you to please close your eyes. Close your eyes. And with your eyes closed, what color do you see? Which crystal calls your name? What will be the color of your blade? Builders, please open your eyes and select your crystal. Thank you. Builders, if you haven't done so, please place your crystal in front of you on your green holder. Now, at this moment, we are going to be passing around and placing in front of you pieces for your hilt. The hilt is the foundation of your lightsaber. It is the foundation of your lightsaber. It is what is also going to be keeping your hands without being disintegrated. Now, all these pieces perhaps don't make sense to you right now, but together we will be exploring them. Alright, so builders, let's explore. In front of you, you have a chassis. You have a set of grips or seats. You also have a pair of emitters and a pair of palms. At the very end, you have activation plates. If you need assistance at any given moment, we should be able to help you. Now, builders, are we ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's build. It's very simple. We're gonna hold our chassis. Our chassis is gonna hold it like this. You see the wheels up here?
Alright, builders, if I can have your attention here, please. You're going to grab your chassis. You will then place your Kyber crystal in your chassis. Now, make sure that the vents are upright.
You feel the spring?
On the top of inside your chassis, the chamber, it has a spring. You'll be able to place your Kyber crystal inside.
Lift this up. And then if we place them here,
It should light up and sing to you.
great. You should feel light and you should hear a noise. You hear a noise? Great job.
It did. I heard it. Mine didn't. Having
Oh, the noise is not that loud. Now, are you able to give it a spin?
challenge.
You should be able to give it a good spin, and that means that if you bump up while you're spinning it, Alright, so I'll go back to you. Let's move on to the next one. Now what are you going to do? I'm going to choose
Now, the next step. In sections 1 and 2, you have 4 grips. We're going to choose one. Once you've chosen your first grip, make sure that the wider grip of that grip goes in first near your Kyber crystal. So wider grip goes in first near your Kyber crystal.
Alright, next piece, you got to do an emitter.
Once you've done that, you will then select an emitter in section 3. You have 2, you will choose one of the 2. The emitter goes on top
You're going to go box number 3.
in section 3.
You have 2 different emitters that you can choose from. You're going to choose one.
Once you've secured your emitter, you will then turn your chassis over.
You're going to choose an emitter so we can let it
There you go. Once you turn it over, you now select another grip. Once you select another grip, make sure once again the wider rim goes in first near your Kyber crystal.
all the way to the end of our journey. Now what we're going to be doing is
Once you've done that, now it's time to select your pommel, which is in the last set.
we're going to choose
Second to last. Section 4.
and
You have 2 pommels. You will choose one, and that will go at the end.
So the thicker side,
Now your grips will be loose. That is okay.
this is where your hand is going to go. And now we're going to go
Our last step are your 2 sets of activation plates in step 5. You have 2 sets. You will choose one of those 2 sets. Once you look inside your activation plates, you have 2 colors, red and blue, inside your activation plates. You will then match that with blue and red on your chassis.
Yeah, it's not very nice. Not worry about the blue pieces. They're supposed to be like that for a reason.
These are flash.
Excellent. Right now you just put your tape. On the edge of the room.
Once you've completed putting your hilt together, go ahead and place your hilt on the hilt holder in front of you, and I will secure the last step.
The blue,
This is your activation switch.
Looks like you're ready to go ahead and select one step. So it's these two together or those two together. They have a green,
Yeah, nice.
blue, and then a red tab on them. Those are the same color tabs on your
It's my personal favorite. Beautiful.
We're gonna hold your hands in the middle. We're gonna take it down.
This is your activation switch.
Keep
that easy.
And then on the other side, they go to the Great. Now, before we put it all together, you start
Now this is Bantha.
I ask this right now because how many put it all together and then I'll have to take off.
Excellent. This is your activation
Alright,
switch.
so when you're doing that, in your world,
Well done. Well done.
Okay, literally that's what you're doing. But towards your center. You push to the center and drag that back. Great, that's it. And then you should be able to kind of have your emitter and your bubble. While you do that, then you should have the bubble. How do you like it? Good? Oh yeah, it's kind of hard to find out. If we were forced builders, we should be able to do it. Obviously, we work with technology. Some technology is not good all the time, so we're able to do that. However you play with it,
Once you're done with that, we're then taking our clothes onto our notebook.
like it? Well, let's I see beautiful hills in front of me. You guys did a tremendous job. However, we are now in the most dangerous part of our journey. So, everyone, please, a giant step back. My fellow gatherers are going to be walking around the room right now, and they are going to be placing your hilts into the crystal stabilization chambers. This requires a very steady hand. Right, Priscilla?
Oh yeah. Been at it for 2 weeks. It usually takes about a year to have steady hands. So you guys are safe. Ish.
I will take another step back if you can. All right. How you doing over there, Kelly?
What?
Oh, you have
That
still
last
recovering from the
explosion, I can't hear it.
I'm sorry, Callie.
Thank you, Kelly.
Thank you.
Okay, I heard that.
All right, builders. I think we're almost ready to.
Well done. Chosen a part with skill you have. Chosen with heart. When joined they are, much more they will become. For you, it is time.
Wow. Master Yoda. The force must be with you, builders. And yes, indeed, it is almost time. In a moment, I'll ask to all of you to please step forward, place your hands on your hilts, and together we will activate. Builders, are we ready? Yes. All right, step forward. Place your hands on your hilts. And activate. Raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and Sith who came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Builders, please deactivate your sabers. Congratulations.
Complete your lightsaber is. Light your path, it can. Choose your path, only you can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. And thank you, builders, for allowing us to be part of your journey. Builders, in your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should never drop on the ground. For your new saber's protection, we are pleased to present to you a saber sheath as you depart. Unfortunately, our time is at an end. but your journey is just beginning. It is time for you to leave your mark in the galaxy. And maybe one day, I will be here telling your stories. Now, as we say here in Batu, till the spire. Thank you, builders. Right this way, please. Right this way. Do you want any more junk in there? Right? Alright? Great job, builders. Safe travels. Good job. Thank you.